Get started with your 3 super easy make money today steps. Now, step number 1 is simply clicking the Get Affiliate link under your bonus campaign bar entitled VL Software 1.0. So you're clicking the link called Get Affiliate Link. Now, step number 2, follow the instructions that you're taken to retrieve, enter, and save your affiliate link. It should only take a couple minutes, super easy. You're not paying for anything else or anything like that. And then once this is done, you're ready to promote your first viral lightning campaign and included web funnel. And then step number 3 is simply clicking the Get Ready-Made Ads to get ready-made emails, ready-made banner ads, and also traffic tips. So you're going to want to read over the traffic tips to find out our suggested ways to get traffic. So remember, viral lightning campaigns are designed to go viral after you get the ball rolling by sending some initial traffic into the campaign by promoting whatever campaign it is that you're, whatever viral lightning campaign it is that you're promoting, by promoting your master funnel link, which is the link shown in your campaign bar. Every campaign has a master funnel link because every campaign has a web funnel or a website associated with it. So your master funnel link is the link to the powerful 3-page viral web funnel associated with your bonus campaign. And the bonus campaign promotes VL software itself, which is our product itself, while all other viral lightning campaigns that you or other users launch will obviously feature some other outside product, whether it be other online marketing products in totally different niches or whatever. But again, to get started, what you're doing is promoting your bonus campaign and associated web funnel via the 3 steps I just mentioned. So all of your initial focus should be on sharing your bonus campaign's master funnel link with as many people as possible. So again, you're just promoting the website for your bonus campaign. And once you're comfortable with how things work after you've been promoting your bonus campaign for a while, you can move on to creating your first custom viral lightning campaign using our campaign launcher tool. If you purchased our basic package, you can create one full custom campaign, which is essentially a full online business because all viral lightning campaigns automatically include one of our special 3-page web funnels automatically generated as part of the campaign, as I mentioned. And the campaign essentially is the web funnel. And the link or address to your web funnel is called the master funnel link, which is shown once again in your campaign bar. And one quick note before I show you how to create your first custom campaign and associated web funnel. If you've upgraded to our Lightning Income Club, you have the ability to launch unlimited custom viral lightning campaigns and will also be receiving 12 done-for-you campaigns, each with a complete funnel over the next 12 months, one complete campaign and associated web funnel per month. So you'll have a mixture of both your own campaigns and also our done-for-you campaigns. If you haven't upgraded and you'd like to do so, you can use the upgrade link at the top of the member homepage to view the details and to order. Okay, getting back to how to create your custom viral lightning campaign, your first custom campaign. You'll simply refer to your campaign launch box, which actually walks you right through the process. You just want to make sure to hover over or click or tap on the little blue help icons, which are the question mark icons, and up will pop the details on what to enter in each field in the launch box. So that's how it walks you through. You just refer to those little help menus on each next to each field. Some of the fields are optional, while others are required, but no worries as this will be noted in each little help pop-up. Now, once you've completed the fields, you simply click the launch button to actually generate your full campaign. This will automatically generate the web funnel, which is the website associated with the campaign, automatically. This will create a campaign bar also associated with the campaign that you've just launched. And this is what the campaign bar looks like. And inside the campaign bar shows stats and info on your campaign. But most importantly, it shows the master funnel link, which again is the link to your web funnel and obviously the link you want to begin sharing with others and send traffic to in order to get things rolling. Note that you can either hover over or click or tap on any of the little campaign bar icons, the little graphical icons, beginning with a little gear-shaped icon to get more info on what a particular campaign bar field or stat is for. So that's similar to how you can hover over or click on the little question mark icons in the campaign launcher form. Now, with your newly generated campaign and associated web funnel, I want you to pay very close attention to one specific detail, and that detail is the little 3-digit code to the top right of your campaign bar. This is what's called your coupon unlock code, and is a unique code that is automatically generated with every single Viral Lightning campaign that gets generated by you or any other user. What you need to do to complete your campaign, any new campaign that you generate, is to have this little code placed at the bottom of your featured products download page or member homepage. So what I do is I contact the product owner, usually on Facebook or by email, to have him or her place the 3-digit code at the bottom of his or her product's download page or member homepage, wherever their customers are accessing the product. This is typically a 3-minute task, because all you're doing is you're going to go to the website of the product you're featuring in your campaign, aka your featured income engine. You're going to get the contact info for the website / product owner, and then you're just going to contact them. And we have a ready-made form letter, a ready-made letter that you can use for this purpose. All you have to do to access this letter is just click on the 3-digit coupon unlock code, the actual code for your newly generated Viral Lightning campaign, and this will open up a new window including the form letter and further details on how to get your coupon code placed. So you're going to want to do that. And if you run into any issues, such as the product owner not returning your messages, which can happen, or maybe there's a case where another Viral Lightning user is promoting the same offer, you'll then want to simply edit your campaign to integrate a different affiliate offer, aka a different featured income engine. To edit your new campaign, click on its title in its associated campaign bar, and then this is going to take you to the campaign editor tool for that particular campaign. And here you can enter the info for an alternative affiliate offer, an alternative income engine. In this situation, however, you may want to get in touch with the product owner prior to editing your campaign to ask if the product owner would be willing to place a little piece of text at the bottom of his product's download page or member homepage so that you can promote his product, his or her product, using Viral Lightning software. And you can use the same form letter and the same code, the same key code for this purpose as used for your original offer, or the original offer that you had in mind. One quick note here: you are relying on other people taking action for you. In this case, the owner of the product that you're building a Viral Lightning campaign around. But you're not selling anything, and you're doing the product owner a favor by setting up a campaign around his or her product. So keep that in mind. And once you get a campaign set up, you're good to go. Getting people to take action, I realize, can sometimes be a pain, but all you need is one willing, sensible participant. And I've never had any issue getting people to install these little unlock codes, being that I make it clear I'm promoting their offers for them and creating an entire campaign around their offer that I expect to be very successful. So essentially, anybody in their right mind is happy to place a little piece of text on their website, that is, on their product download page, to facilitate my campaign built around their product, because I'm promoting their product. I'm going to be making them money. So if they understand that, there's really nothing to it. Now, one other quick important note here is that obviously if your Viral Lightning campaign centers around your own product, you're in full control in that case and can insert your coupon unlock code for your Viral Lightning campaign on your own product's download page or member homepage. Obviously, you're not relying on another product owner in that case, because you're the product owner, obviously. So what is the coupon unlock code? Well, it's very simple. As you promote your campaign's master web funnel, which is the website associated with your campaign that you've generated, people will sign up initially for free. They're going to be signing up to your campaign, your Viral Lightning campaign, and then they're going to get their own replicated version of your master web funnel, which is your main website that you've generated along with the campaign. But with a catch: their web funnels are locked. Their replicated web funnels are locked for commissions until they unlock it in one of two ways. Either they can refer a set number of people into your campaign, such as 3 people, maybe 5 people. It's whatever number of people you specified when creating your campaign, to unlock their web funnels for commission. So let's say you set your campaign to be unlocked after 5 people have been referred. So a person that comes into your campaign, signs up for free, would have to refer 5 other people into your campaign to get their own web funnel unlocked. Or instead of referring people to get unlocked, maybe they're just, a lot of people just want instant gratification. So they can simply buy your featured offer. And that's how you're going to start making money, because a percentage of people aren't going to want to refer people. They're just going to want to get in, get unlocked. And to do that, they can just buy your featured offer. And if and when they buy your featured built-in offer to unlock their own replicated sites for commissions, they'll be directed to log in to the product that they've purchased to retrieve the coupon unlock code and enter it in the coupon unlock code field in their funnel. And this is all happens automatically. You don't have to really worry about your users doing this, because it's all generated automatically by the Viral Lightning software, by the campaign generator or campaign launcher. Now, once any one of your users has entered the correct code after they purchased your featured offer, the unlock code, that being the unlock code for your campaign, their funnel, their replicated funnel, will be unlocked, meaning they'll have the potential to earn commissions as they refer others into your campaign. But as they do, keep in mind they'll still be building your email list, because your campaign users / submembers do not have the ability to collect email addresses as they promote their replicated versions of your master funnel. So to sum all of that up, what you have to do once you've generated any new funnel is simply get your 3-digit coupon unlock code placed on the private download page or member homepage for the product, for your featured product, wherever people access the product that they've just purchased, wherever customers access the product, so that your customers can retrieve and enter that code to unlock their own replicated versions of your master web funnel. Just that one task and you're ready to roll with your new campaign. And again, worst case scenario, if you can't get in touch with a particular product owner, or if their product is already taken, so to speak, by another VL user, go in and edit to feature a different offer. There are literally millions of products out there with new products being launched on networks like JVZoo and ClickBank every single day. So there will always be endless potential offers to build Viral Lightning campaigns around. Now, if all of this is still a little bit fuzzy, what I'd recommend is this. It's very simple. Refer back to your Viral Lightning Software 1.0 campaign, which is your bonus campaign. Copy the master funnel link for that campaign into your browser and go to the funnel. That is, go to your website. Also note the 3-digit code for that campaign, which is shown in your bonus campaigns campaign bar, because you'll need it when going through the funnel. Then, using one of your alternative email addresses, just any one of your other email addresses, actually go through the funnel, watch the short videos on each of the 3 funnel pages, and just watch how the funnel works. Picture yourself as one of your future signups, somebody coming into your funnel for the first time, somebody coming into that same funnel. Pretend you are them, and pay close attention to how the funnel works. How it works. Pay close attention to the 2 different unlocking options, especially referring to the social unlock and coupon unlock. Since you already know the coupon unlock for the funnel, that 3-digit code, you can enter it to instantly unlock the funnel to then see what your future users will see when they purchase Viral Lightning software themselves to unlock the funnel. So in other words, you're just going through everything and just seeing how everything works, just pretending you're one of your own users to become familiar with things. And note that as you go through the funnel, a new sub-member account will be created for you. So obviously, don't confuse that account that you're generating automatically as you're testing with your main Viral Lightning software account. Okay. And by the way, you should follow this same process after you've created any new custom campaign, or after editing an existing custom campaign, so that you can check out each of the 3 funnel pages that you've newly generated, to see what your future visitors and users will see before you begin promoting any new Viral Lightning campaign that you've generated or launched. So basically, you're just testing out your new campaign's web funnel by going through the 3 pages to make sure everything looks good. If it doesn't look good, you can go back into your campaign editor, make some changes, and then go back into your funnel and check things out. So super simple. Now, to begin promoting any new campaign that you've generated, you can do so in exactly the same way as you promoted your Viral Lightning bonus campaign, using the ready-made email or banner ads and traffic tips that you can access by clicking on the Get Ready-Made Ads link just under the campaign bar for the new campaign you've just generated. However, you may choose to write new email ads by using the default ads that we've provided as a general guide or template for your own writing, so that you have something to promote that is more specific to your particular campaign and built-in product offer referring to your particular featured income engine. You can also have unique banner ads made, ad images, for just $5 each, by the way, through a site called Fiverr.com, which you've probably heard of. It's Fiverr, Fiverr.com, by searching on graphic designer at Fiverr.com and having a graphic designer do a banner for you for just $5, since everything on Fiverr begins at just $5 per task. Of course, creating new ads is entirely up to you and depends on what you're comfortable with. If you do end up creating new ads, you can use the campaign editor to upload these new ads so that they're also automatically available to all of your future campaign signups and users, instead of the default ads, which are more generic and not campaign specific. So that's another option that you can do. If you create new ads, you can make those available to your users to also promote your campaign. Now remember, every Viral Lightning campaign you generate, whether it be just one per standard Viral Lightning software license or unlimited campaigns via our Lightning Income Club level membership, is essentially a full online business.